Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another polygel kit for you to see. This is my second time doing polygel, and this kit I want to show you. Now I find this genius. This has a little tab right here that says nail, and for people who have nails, you just lift it and peel off. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, so here are the tubes of polygel. They are a little bit smaller than some, which is okay. This is Ejubis, and I did a video on this one. And here is the size. Now what's nice about this is a lot, and if you kind of just want to test out some polygels, getting this amount would be better in case you don't like it. So this is 15 grams, and this is the pure white. I'll show you up close of the colors. It does come with 6. Now I see in other people's videos that it's really nice when it comes with this case with the dual forms. And then you also get a nail file, the brush, which is very handy when doing polygel, the slip solution, which is key again. So this kit comes with everything you need to do a polygel set except for the light. These are well packaged. Also comes with some of these pretty purple gems and some glitter. Comes with the base coat and the top coat. And let's see what these are down here. Here is social media. Some other information. Ooh, those are pretty nails. So this is a step-by-step guide to show you how to do polygels. And it is very helpful. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you these colors up close. Okay, so this first color is the temperature changing one. This one is light pink. This one is nude. Light apricot. Pure white. And soft pink. So here are the colors side by side. Now this one was the temperature changing one, so it turned to like a jelly purple to a clear. First you want to prep your nails and apply the base coat. Then you want to cure in your lamp. Alrighty, so I have picked out my dual forms. Now remember, when you do your dual forms, you want to measure them sidewall to sidewall and leave just a very little gap for the polygel to have room. Alright, to get started you want to get your slip solution, the spatula, your color, and your dual form. This color that I'm using is light apricot. You just want to put it in your dual form, take your brush and dip it in the slip solution, and I like to take off some of the excess, and then you just want to pat this in your dual form. I like to make the cuticle thin and then just drag it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and place it on my nail. You can turn it over to see. Okay, and then something I learned is to flip it over and smooth out the underside if it needs it. And then you just want to go ahead and cure that in your lamp. Alright, so once it is cured, you just want to pinch the sides. After you remove the dull form, this is what it looks like, and then you are ready for filing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 nails, and I will speed up the process as I do it. Alrighty, so here are what they look like. I'm going to just use the nail file that came with it and shape these up some. Okay, so this is what they look like after filing. I'm testing out this shape of nail, so I don't think I did it that well, but it will work. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this tool and brush off any dust. I am going to buff the surface. Now you don't need an e-file to do polygel. I don't have an e-file, so I'm just going to work with what I have. And so far, they've turned out pretty well. I'm still practicing my sizing and trying out different nail shapes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a buff and then brush off the excess, and then I'll come back with the top coat. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the top coat. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp. So lastly, I am going to use some of these gems. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of the top coat. Alright, so here is the finished look. I used the gems that came in the kit as well as a few of mine. Now I want to show you the ring finger, as that one is the color changing one. Alright, so here is the finished look. I think it turned out okay. My shaping is a little off, which is okay. I'm still practicing. And if you are wanting to get into a polygel, I would highly recommend it. I absolutely hate acrylic, and this is a good alternative, and it's quite easy to do as this is my second time. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.